This is the 31st video in my series on three-phase power transformers. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Siemens 7U T513 management relay. This is another management relay that you'll find in my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses on my stand store at this web address. This is the relay that I am talking about, and from the front it looks like this. Some of the features of the Siemens 7U T513 include short circuit protection for 2 and 3 winding transformers, restraint during inrush, overexcitation, and CT saturation, short circuit protection for generators and motors, overload protection with thermal characteristics, 2-stage definite timed inverse and timed overcurrent protection, a restricted earth fault protection, a definite timed overcurrent protection, and direct injection of 2 external open commands. It also features a real-time clock and permanently stored operational and fault indicators in the event of auxiliary voltage failure. Substation control interface has also a commissioning aid for setting up new installations, and it is self-monitoring for internal faults. The Siemens 7U T513 can be accessed using the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 operating program on a compatible PC, using the handy front connection or the substation control interface that can be a fiber optic interface or other standard substation control system interface. Alternatively, this can be an isolated interface using RS-232C communication standard. With the Siemens 7U T513 relay, all CT inputs to the relay are connected in Y, regardless of the power transformer winding configurations and secondary phase shifts. This is because the vector group compensation is accomplished mathematically within the relay itself. Matching of the CT ratios between the primary and secondary power transformer windings is accomplished within the relay settings. The actual CT taps should be selected to produce approximately the same secondary relay current. The relay has 3 main sets of 3-phase CT inputs and a capability of having 2 additional single-phase neutral CT inputs. The user defines which windings are referenced to the primary and secondary windings of the transformer. The single-phase inputs are used for restricted ground fault and ground overcurrent protections. The relay contains 2 independent thermal overcurrent elements that can be associated to any of the 3-phase CT inputs. These elements model the actual thermal behavior of the protected windings. In addition to the transformer protection, the 7U T513 is designed for application on bus differential protected zones. The relay has various techniques to recognize CT saturation. This relay also has 5 discrete binary inputs that are used to bring the status of external physical contacts into the relay. The relay contains an internal lithium battery that is used to maintain the state of alarm indications and a real-time clock and calendar through a DC supply interruption, if indeed it happens. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also, from time to time, be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of the aforementioned type products. It is also a connection to obtain a free copy of my 24-page 3-phase transformer workbook, which will serve as a quick reference and reminder of technical calculations that you may need. This address, of course, is case sensitive. I'll spell it out and make sure that you have it right. Everything up to the first number is lowercase. That is lowercase https://bit.ly/3, then uppercase U, uppercase G, a lowercase j, uppercase B, uppercase I, and lowercase g. One of those amazing and versatile products is the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra, which can be modified to suit any homeowner's needs, operating virtually silent, and when paired with the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 Smart Home Panel 2 is extremely versatile. The 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 Home Panel 2 ties any and all of your standby power equipment together and will control them efficiently. It will even control your connection to the utility grid to make sure you're only using the least expensive power, switching to your standby power during those expensive time of use rates. In order to view the full range of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿's products and obtain a free copy of my 3-phase transformer workbook, check into this web address and simply provide your email address, which will guide you to browse the full extent of their products. There is no cost or commitment for viewing, and by providing your email address, it will allow me to keep you posted on future videos, courses, and 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 products. Before I end this video, I want to repeat the connection to obtain a free copy of my 24-page 3-phase transformer workbook, which will serve as a quick reference when working on my courses and quizzes. It is also a handy reference and reminder of technical calculations required in your daily job requirements. Finally, here is the link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my stand store.